If you're looking to buy or sell a condo, there are some key details you need to know. So the first thing you really gotta settle is whether this property is a condo at all, even if it looks like one. So the key is whether you own the lot, the land. So you kind of need to look into the legal description of the property, and if there's an inclusion of the lot description, you can kind of know that it's not a condo. But if it is a condo, there are some big pitfalls along the way. So first of all, if you're gonna buy with either an FHA loan, which stands for the Federal Housing Administration loan, or a VA loan, the Veterans Administration loan, you gotta make sure that this condo complex is on their approved list. And those lists are online and readily available. If it's not, that transaction is probably not gonna work because getting a single unit approval or waiting for the complex to get a full approval takes a significant amount of time. So if you're gonna use a conventional loan, the big key thing is whether it's warrantable. So that word warrantable basically means, can it be lent upon? So you're either gonna go through a limited review, which you want, or a full review, which is where all the skeletons come out of the closet and you want to avoid it whenever possible. So there's no website that shows all of the warrantable condos in an area. So it's really up to your down payment. So if you're buying a primary residence, if you put 10% down, you get the limited review. That's what we want. Anything less than 10%, you gotta go through the full review. If you're buying a second home or investment property, you need to put down at least 25% to get the limited review. So warrantable basically means, it's not a condo-tel. There's no lawsuits against the HOA, and one entity doesn't own more than 20% of the units. But if we start getting into this full review, they make sure like a certain percentage of the budget goes to reserves. They're looking to see the comparison of owner-occupied versus investment properties. They're looking to see if more than 15% of the units are late on their HOA dues. So it's just so many more problems, so avoid it whenever possible. So now, if you're selling a condo, just try to figure out if it's warrantable. You gotta ask the HOA, they'll probably know. Know whether it's on these FHA and VA lists to know who can buy this property, and you're gonna make the whole process go easier. If you're looking to buy or sell a house in the next year, please give me a call. Ryan Yankee, 719-210-5517.